Hi guys, I am Shreya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to show you guys what I have in my college bag, and also I have this emergency kit which everyone should have. So my bag is right here and it is quite heavy. So I have this huge bag. I also decided to answer a few of your questions like what college do I go in, what subject am I doing. So I am a fashion communication student and currently I am in my fourth year. So fashion communication is a design degree. We learn a lot about photography, marketing, merchandising, design process. Basically we learn a lot about design and fashion in general, like styling, editing, content writing, all of that comes under the course of fashion communication. So if you guys want to know more about this, then do comment down below and I might do another video for you guys. So I will jump right back to my bag video. I have this front compartment. Okay, so I've got my pen drive, then I have this brush, this you might have seen some triangle teaser, then I have this face mist, then I have my college ID. They don't let you in the college without an ID. Then I have this body mist. This is amazing. So actually I am allergic to a lot of fragrances. Fortunately I am not allergic to fruit fragrances. Then I have got this lipstick from Dose. I cannot live without lipstick. Like I have one lipstick in all of my bags. I have this perfume oil from Fabindia and this is in rose fragrance. I have this sanitizer habit. I have got another lipstick. This one is from Nykaa and the color is Rukmini. Okay, then I have this really nice shimmer and blush palette from Too Faced. I have this key ring. This was gifted to me by my friend. I have a scrunchie. I think we are done with the first compartment. Okay, so the bag is quite heavy because it still has all of the things which I used to take to college. And this bag is from Chumbak. It's got really cute patterns onto it and it's really good. Coming to the second compartment, I think I should give you a sneak peek of how my bag looks on the inside. This is all of the stuff that I had in compartment right here, and this is my second compartment. So it's got lots of stuff and storage. There, this is kind of the arrangement. Like everything fits really nicely in this bag. And then this side I've got a pocket for a bottle, and this side there is another pocket I keep my socks. So in my second compartment I've got this bag. So this bag is my lifesaver. It is like an emergency kit, so we will get into that later part of the video. Then I've got this pouch. So this is my stationery pouch. It's got a lot of stuff into it. Glue, scissors, pencils. I've got this digital pen which is compatible with my laptop. And right here I have this cute eraser. Then I've got a few pens. And I have this bag, this tote bag. So it's like this. Then I have this pouch of pencil colors, sketch pen and paint brushes. So it's got stuff like that. Somebody was asking me about my stationery, so if you guys want me to make another video on stationery, I could show you guys what all I have in those pouches. And I have this watercolor palette. I really love it. Yeah, you can see it's quite used, and the freedom that I have with this kind of color palette is you just need a little bit of water and you have all the colors right there. So I can get into depth for that, but we need another video before medicine. Then I've got these really cute notebooks. So if you guys have seen my room tour, you would have seen a bundle of notebooks. I really like small notebooks because it's great for having notes. The best part about it is it's got really nice quotes. So college or school can be a nasty place. Like teachers could be scolding at you, competition is there, and you feel, oh my god, that person is way better than me. How am I ever gonna stand? A notebook like this really helps you, because whenever you're sad, you can just scroll through the pages and it definitely makes you feel better. So if you guys want to know a video I could do on making such positive notebooks, then do let me know. I have this, I think it's got my SD card. So I have a huge camera bag, and the best part of this bag is I can keep my camera in it along with my laptop. And then I have my watch. Okay, I've got some hair clips. Another thing that I would like to tell you guys is having a pen drive. And if you are in a designing college or whatever college you are, you should make your pen drive look as unique as possible, because they might get stolen. And I'm not even kidding, it happens a lot. I've got my name onto it, and here also I have tried to write my name and my section onto it, onto the third and last compartment. So I have this magazine. So as I told you guys that I'm a designing student, and the last project that I was working on was a magazine, and this is my friend Aditi, a very dear friend of mine, and she agreed to do this shoot with me. I have done the makeup and the shoot and the styling, so I'm really proud of it. And we do really fun stuff like this in college. Then I have this notebook. So I got this notebook from Miniso. I only use one notebook for all my subjects, because mostly all my subjects are digitally done, but we have subjects like luxury brand management or marketing, for which we need to take notes. So a notebook like this is sufficient for us. So, and I have placed a few stickers from Alicia Souza. She's got really cute stickers. That's that. And I have this folder. You are in college, I think this is really helpful, because you can keep all your assignments or single pages into it. So it's from Weber, where this is one of my favorite cartoons. So it's got compartments like these. It's really good and keeps me organized. I have this cute looking bag is from H&M, and you guys might be wondering what is there in it. So this bag is my laptop bag. My laptop bag is as glamorous as my personality. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, I am in love with glittery holographic stuff. These kind of things give me happiness, and you guys should also do or have things that make you happy. So don't think about what others might think of you. Here I have my laptop, and this bag has also got, this is a mouse pad actually, and here I've got my mouse, so it's really handy. I have got this laptop screen cleaning cloth, and it's good for my specs. So I am a chashmish, I wear specs. Mostly I prefer wearing glasses, because lens and laptop screens don't really go well together. Your eyes get really strained. So this is what I've learned. For those of you guys who are wondering which kind of laptop do I have an HP Pavilion 360, and it is a tablet cum laptop, so it's pretty handy. It is, I think, a 14-inch laptop. I had this multi USB port. It's really good. Okay, so this bag has got this huge compartment. I've got only this small bottle fits into my bag, but the bottle is really cute. And then this side, I have my socks. This is all the stuff that was there in my bag. Getting back to this bag right here, I have a lot of stuff in this bag, and I have another pouch. This pouch has got my medicines and a little bit of cosmetics. So the good part about this bag is I can keep it in all of my bags. So if I'm going out with my friends, then also I carry this bag. So then I have this mask. So I've got a minor asthma situation going on with me, so because of that I always used to carry a mask. Then I have this cute lip balm, got it from Claire's. I have this rose water moisturizer from the body shop, right? The bottle is really big. I just filled it in this mini bottle. Then I have this sanitizer. I would always carry a sanitizer. I had this habit of carrying sanitizers and creams from my school time, and then I have this Amrutanjan roll-on. So it is really good for opening up my sinuses. So if you're having a shoulder pain, you can just rub it on. So you should definitely have this in your emergency bag. Then I have this napkin. I have this hand cream. So this was given to me by my sister. I have this Swiss knife. So I got it from my Switzerland trip. It's got a lot of features. You guys know what a Swiss knife is. Close or long in this tic tac package. And then I have a pair of underwear, because since this bag I carry it everywhere. There was this time when I got stuck at my friend's home because it was flooding and I could not go home, and I had this pair and it was a lifesaver. There's a reason why it's called an emergency bag, because there could be an emergency anytime. Okay, I have another compartment. So the first compartment is done. This mini size pen, you might need it. Then I have got these earbuds, but they are very multi-purpose. I have got these compressed tissues. You just put water. Then I've got this toothbrush. For the same reason, you might need it. Then I've got glue. It's got 20 bucks. I've got this wig. You guys know the purpose of it. I've got this minty kind of stuff. Then I've got a pair of scissors, really small scissors. And then I've got ton of sanitary napkins, and also I've got paper cutter. Coming back to this bag, so I've got this mirror kind of comb with me, although I don't need it. I always carry my tangle teaser everywhere. Then you guys can see, okay, so I've got safety pins. You will need a safety pin. Then I don't know why I have this clip, but it's really huge. I've got this plucker. Since I've got this lipstick from Marks and Jacobs, because this is a very versatile color. You just dab it, bang, you're ready. Hair tie. Okay, another clip. And I've got toothpicks. I'll just show you guys what I had in this small pouch. So this is the pouch and how it looks. Then my undies, my small tree pen, Swiss knife. So all this was inside this mini bag. It was able to hold a lot of stuff. So guys, it just started raining outside, and I don't know if you guys can listen to me loud and clear. But I guess that was it for this video, and I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this. And I am really thankful to all of those people who are watching my videos, commenting and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. If you guys have any questions or any video ideas that you would want to share with me, do comment below or ping me up, and I would love to hear from you guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. I'll see you for my next video, and have a great day.